In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Log a Call action in Salesforce. This feature is extremely useful for maintaining detailed records of your interactions with clients. By logging calls, you ensure that all your contacts and communications are systematically documented within Salesforce, providing a comprehensive history that can be accessed at any time. To begin, navigate to the home page of Salesforce. This is your main hub and starting point for managing contacts and activities. From here, you'll want to locate the App Launcher, which is easily found in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it to open a menu of options. The App Launcher houses all accessible applications within Salesforce, streamlining your ability to switch between tools with ease. Once in the App Launcher, go ahead and select Contacts. The Contacts page is central to managing your Salesforce tasks, allowing you to view, edit, and keep an eye on communication details. Now that you've reached the Contacts area, choose a specific contact you'd like to update with a call log. This selection will redirect you to the relevant contact's detailed page where you can view all related information. In the Contacts page, you'll notice several options. Here, you'll find the Log a Call button readily available. Clicking this button opens a window where you can start entering details about the call. Logging a call doesn't just record the interaction itself, it provides context for the dialogue, ensuring that all pertinent information about your conversation is preserved. Next, it's time to choose a subject for your call log. This helps categorize the call, making it easier for you and your team to identify the topic of discussion at a glance. A well-chosen subject enhances the searchability of your logs, ensuring that users can swiftly find records as needed. Following the selection of a subject, if you wish, you can add comments to the call log. This step is optional, but highly recommended. Comments allow you to expand on the context, providing additional insights or notes that were discussed which might be useful for future reference. This narrative can prove invaluable when revisiting the history of interactions with a contact. Finally, after entering all relevant details, simply click on Save. This action will store the call log within Salesforce, ensuring it is available for you and your team to review whenever necessary. Saving the log solidifies the record, closing the loop on a seamless process that keeps your contact interactions well documented. In summary, logging a call in Salesforce is a straightforward process that greatly benefits your record-keeping practices. By following these steps, you ensure that all communication is captured and accessible, bolstering your Salesforce strategy with comprehensive data and insights. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial.